Newton Crouch Incorporated presents technical tips.
Hello, my name's Brian Crosby with Newton Crouch. I wanted to explain a couple of things about what we call the third-rate sprocket kit on our mid-clearance pull spreaders. The spreaders that come with the 24-inch wide chain, in order to get the low fertilizer and seed rates, it requires an extra set of sprockets and an additional reduction on the chain. It's oftentimes confusing for folks, so I want to explain how that works a little bit. This chain here, which is oftentimes installed on the spreader at delivery, this is the chain that goes from the 54 tooth on the top jack shaft to the 12 tooth on the drive wheel shaft. And it's oftentimes referred to as the high rate fertilizer or low rate lime chain. To install the third rate kit, you take the connecting link out, you pull this chain loose. So you put your chain from this same 54 tooth sprocket to the 12 tooth on the alternate jack shaft. Kind of goes at this angle like so. So then you're running a chain from this sprocket, the 54 tooth, to the 12 tooth. Okay, so the second step to install the third rate is to put the chain on the inside sprocket run. You've got a 36 tooth on the alternate jack shaft back to a 12 tooth on the drive wheel shaft. That's a 36 to a 12, hence the name third rate kit. It's a 3-to-1 slowdown. Okay, so the chain that you put on the 36 tooth on the inside of the alternate jack shaft to the 12 tooth on the inside of the drive wheel shaft, you can leave that chain on all the time, and it's only actually pulling when you're connected to the alternate shaft on the outside. I always like to say it's easy to swap the chains, but it's hard to find where you left them. Okay, so once we've installed our third rate chains on the correct sprockets, we want to come to our rate chart, okay, and see you've got 12 DW to 54 JS. That's drive wheel shaft to jack shaft. Okay, that's the way it was originally with the long chain. So you come over here, that's the third rate. That's the key word you're looking for. So once you set the sprockets that you identify as the third rate, and you can simply just look at your gate set and compare to your density and determine your application rate. But you do have to make sure that you look at the third rate column once you put the third rate chains on.
Technical assistance is available online 24/7 on our YouTube channel or our website, newtoncrouch.com. You can call us at 800-241-1350 Monday to Friday and speak with a real person. No recorded messages. Our knowledgeable staff will be glad to assist you. Proudly made in America. A family-owned business since 1940, Newton Crouch.